Today, in the Nigerian prisons, you find so many Biafrans who are detained for daring to speak out in the process of self-determination. Many speak out in different ways. There are groups that believe in rallies. They walk the streets with flags, asking for the state of Biafra. There are groups that have approached it in several different ways. But each of these people, however wrong their approach could be, from our own point of view, have a right, a constitutional right to whatever they have done. They have a constitutional right. None of them have carried arms. Currently, since after the Civil War, no Biafran group can be pointed at as having borne arms against the Nigerian state. Even the process of bearing arms also had its own authenticity when it gets to that level. But for now, no group had accepted that. No group had done that. And I think basically you can say because the Biafran people are a very industrious people. You know, we have a saying that he who